Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a vlog. Today's Saturday. I'm sure you guys probably won't see this till later because I might do another video before this one. But it is the end of May, which is so crazy that we're already to June, and I'm sure you'll see this in June. But it's just so crazy, like time just flies. It's a really nice day out. I am going to yoga, so I just have, excuse my messy bedroom, but I just have a tank top on. I will show you guys my outfit, but I mean, it's really not that important. And I have some gray leggings out in like a field, so they're social distancing, but I'm gonna get some footage from there. I love my yoga teacher, and yoga is something that I do about 4 to 5 times a week. I know that I have some yoga clips in some of my other vlogs, but yoga's just like everything. Like, everyone has their thing that they like to do, like whether it's lifting or running or playing basketball or whatever it is for exercise. Yoga is the thing that like I like to do no matter what. Like, it's just something that I can really stick with, and I like going to the gym, I like lifting, but I just like the group atmosphere. I like, you know, kind of having an instructor tell you what to do. I know I can do that at like a gym or do gym classes, but like yoga is just like, it's such an amazing practice. If you've never tried it, definitely give it a try, because it just makes me sane. Like, it helps bring myself to a leveled place. Such an amazing stress reliever. If you're not aware, yoga has a final resting pose called Savasana that is basically meditation. So I actually started going to yoga because I like the meditation at the end, and then I learned to like the practice because it was kind of hard at first. I started out in like a flow, so instead of starting out like in a gentle, it was a little difficult, and it's still, you know, I'm not like a master at it. It's still a little difficult sometimes. There's some things I still can't do, but I mean, I've been doing it for almost 2 years now, consistently, and it's just an amazing practice. It helps so many different things. I'm not going to get into it because I actually need to get going, but I actually have been thinking about making a video with my yoga instructor on the benefits of yoga and maybe what to expect if you've never went to a yoga class. But yeah, it's exciting. I'm gonna bring an old mat because it is outside, so I don't want to get my other one real dirty. I just put a little bit of makeup on, like a little bit of concealer. I did do my eyes a little bit, but it's starting to come off anyways. But I didn't want to put a whole lot on just because if I'm sweating, whatever. We might go get food after, but we shall see. So yeah, I haven't really ate a whole lot today. I had some of my mom's salad. But yeah, I need to get ready. If you guys want to see my outfit, I am just wearing a Victoria's Secret sports bra. This is from Old Navy. It's like from the Active Fit line. It's like that in the back. And then these leggings are from Victoria's Secret. I got them a while back, but I love all Victoria's Secret leggings, so still really need to get ready though. Hey everyone, so it's the next day. Sorry I didn't get a whole lot of footage from yesterday. I went to yoga, we went out to eat, and being out to eat took so long. So we were so hungry, so all the footage I got was basically our food gone. So I'm sorry about that, but it took forever. Like, it took so long for drinks and food, but it was like one of the first times really going out to eat. So that was fun, and we just sat outside. And then I came back home and my family was having a cookout, and we just sat around and talked the whole time, so not a whole lot to vlog. I ended up drinking a little bit of wine, and don't usually drink wine or drink at all, but it was just a fun time. And today, me and Michael are going on a hike with my yoga teacher. We're friends. Oh, there is a spider crawling on my camera. Oh gosh. Like a baby spider was on my camera. That's scary, because I probably have more bugs in my bag that I took to yoga. It's so nice out though when we did yoga, and the trees in the background. But today we are gonna go on a hike. It's really nice out, has like a cool breeze, and yeah, so it's just a chill day, but enjoying the weather. And I need to get my clothes put away, but yeah, that's what's going on for today, so I will keep you guys updated. It is kind of cool though. I never knew that trail existed.
It's a cool trail.
It's definitely cool, but there was this freaking hill that was like straight up.
God.
I thought I was going to die. Like, it was just straight up. We just got done on our hike, and I didn't get to get any footage because we literally were dying. It was such a pretty trail. I'm mad that I didn't get any type of footage.
It was pretty. It was long.
I'm sweating to death. Michael's dead. My whole body hurts. Hiking with your yoga teacher is not the best idea. She literally almost sprinted the whole way, so we were just in the back, and it was hard to enjoy the view because we were trying to keep up, so we're dead. I really wanted to get some footage though because it was super pretty.
It really was.
It really was. If we did, I mean, it probably would have taken us a lot longer if me and you just did it.
Yeah, but me and you wouldn't have gone all that way though.
You don't think?
I feel like
we would have
stopped at that little creek that we had to jump across or whatever, and I feel like that would have probably been the end of it.
I think we could have went, but we would have.
We could do the whole thing because we just did, but I'll tell you what, that was.
I know, but I would want to do the whole thing to like know where it ended.
Right.
Even though it just like went out to the road.
Yeah, it was kind of disappointing.
I figured, but me and you would have like looked at stuff.
Yeah.
And like probably we would have went down to the beach.
Yep.
There's like this spot where there was water, and like there was a little bit of beach where you could like go down there, probably skip rocks. We probably would have done that. And there's a couple times I wanted to, like, where that creek was, that was really cool.
I know.
These are huge. I'm gonna have to take this home. We got a peanut butter milkshake, a chocolate milkshake. Hey guys, today is, I don't even know, Tuesday. It's the next day. I know this vlog has been kind of choppy, like I'm showing you the beginning of my day and then like not much after, just because my day has been really uneventful. Today's Tuesday, so I think I started vlogging on like Friday or Saturday, so I may put when I get my hair done part of my vlog in with when I get my nails done, just so it's like, you know, beauty related. But if not, I mean, obviously you'll see it in this vlog, because all I filmed yesterday was literally me getting my hair done. So I just didn't really do much yesterday. I just chilled when I got home. My boyfriend came over and we watched a few episodes. We're on to the originals now that we're done with the Vampire Diaries. Can we talk about the ending of the Vampire Diaries? Really? Like, that's it? Okay. But anyways, yes, my hair is still curled from yesterday. The side's all like, but I don't really care. I could fix some of it, but I don't know. I kind of want to make a video today, but I just really don't know exactly what other than vlogging. KB. So today I'm cleaning. I know I feel like I'm always doing this in vlogs, but I definitely need to do like towels and like clean my bathroom, you know, all the good stuff. But today I did go to the chiropractor. I am down to 2 times a week now. I go 2 times a week next week, and then I'll be going once a week. I don't know how many visits I've been already, but you have a rescan of your back with the infrared gun. And yesterday I had that, and it'll show you kind of where your body's adjusting and where the underlying like problems are. So my body's adjusted well, but there's still a lot of red marks of where I'm at a place. It's still red like on my lower back hip area, and it got longer red on the top of my neck, like my left side of my neck. So I'm definitely not feeling pain anymore. I don't really get headaches. I feel like my energy is better. I feel like I'm not so off balance and like kind of dizzy. I don't like saying I have anxiety just because like I don't want to, like, you know, I just don't want to put it into existence, but it has been better. And I just feel like I overall feel better. So that's great. I think if you guys are on the edge of should I go to the chiropractor, you definitely should. So I also want to quickly show you guys, I washed my white Vans that I've had for years, and this was a process. I was looking ways on how to do it. The other day I was having a pair sit outside and a bird pooped on them, so I had to rewash them. So it's been a process, but they're finally done, and at this point I'm just satisfied that they're clean. So these little guys, they're pretty white, okay? I had some really bad, like, you can kind of faintly see them, but I had really bad black marks on the tops because I've had these since I was like 15. And I was really close to just throwing them away, but they came out really nice. And I mean, they're not super white. I'm sure I could probably do another round of like peroxide and stuff, but they're white enough for me. Just the fact that they like don't have dirt and stuff on them, I'm okay with. But so these ones were my newer ones, and they're pretty white. You won't be able to see up close that they obviously could probably be a little bit brighter white in some spots. Like the tongue is way whiter than some of the top, and honestly I feel like I overdid it, like they were in the sun too long or something, because they were really white. But these high tops were my newer ones. I got them, I mean they're really old. I got them like 2016. So I was older when I got these. I think it was like 18 or 19. Anyways, these were covered in mud for like 2 years. Like bad, like lots of mud everywhere. Like I could not wear them, and I was lazy and I never washed them. Actually, I think I might have washed them, but like the mud was still on them. They needed a good deep scrub. I wore these to amusement park one time. I do not recommend. They killed my feet. But I wore these to a party, I think in like 2018, and I was outside. That was my first mistake. There was times like I wanted to grab for them and I'm like, oh, they're muddy, I can't. So I'm really happy that they're clean. That's my rant, but I'm probably gonna go clean a little bit and get back to you guys. Okay, hey guys, I know I didn't vlog after I cleaned the other day. This is making there's Matthew. This is, I don't even know, Friday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I didn't do anything at all, really. I'm going to the chiropractor today. It's not a scheduled day. I'm just going in extra because I woke up and I just feel really tight and I don't know, I just feel like I need adjusted. And then I'm getting some things at the store for tomorrow's protest, so should be exciting. And maybe some Starbucks. I don't know, I just need some energy, but I have to hurry because I am squeezing in, so I will update you guys.
Ooh, guava, passion fruit drink.
That does look good.
I'm gonna get that.
You want that?
Large, yeah.
Starbucks, give me just a moment and I'll be right with you.
Can I get a venti mango dragon fruit made with lemonade?
Alright.
And then a venti guava passion fruit drink?
Okay.
And that's all. We are home now. Super good. I always get the same thing. Matthew, my brother, got pink guava drink. It was pretty good. It kind of tastes like strawberry milk. So not for me. It's just a little bit too much. But now I'm going to probably make some food. There's some leftover chicken from last night, so we might heat some of that up. I'm just really feeling some seafood, so I have bay scallops here. They're really good. Just cook them with some butter. It's gonna be another chill day. I mean, that's my life. I don't really do anything real exciting. And then we're gonna make our posters here soon, so. Hi guys, so sorry I didn't get back with you. I've just been doing a lot of different things. I was editing and then I thought I was gonna go out for a drink, but then I didn't, and I ended up meditating a little bit. I didn't do a group meditation like I thought I was going to because I kind of forgot. I usually do like doing those on the full moon and it's a lunar eclipse as well, but I ended up just kind of saging myself and chilling out and just releasing some things. But I made my signs for my protest tomorrow, which you guys saw. I just didn't really vlog my meditation or anything. I should start doing more b-roll for this vlog, so sorry there wasn't a whole lot. I just kind of forgot. My mind's been elsewhere. But I did want to like actually end the vlog because I didn't with the other days that I vlogged. I just kind of, I don't know, just kind of cut off. But I did get a video uploaded for you guys. You know what's going on. But with all of that being said, I hope you guys had a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.